Okay, today we got a set of mathematical instruments. It's the student set of mathematical instruments from the Artist Supply Company Limited in Toronto. And these were made in England. So picked this up at an old antique store that was closing down. So got these guys. We did not pay that for it. We got it 70% off. It was a sale day. So as you can see here, it is actually just a little student supply of like drafting or just mathematical little tools here. Now again, I do not know if this is a complete kit or not, but it does have its two little compasses here, a little ruler, and a little pencil down here for said compass. And then underneath it, you can see you got a couple squares, which are pretty cool too. Again, these are made in England, so you can see it's got the metric and English. This one's tenths, it says. And this one, it's got, again, millimeters and centimeters and sixteenths. So we got those two squares in there. And then over here, you can see we got the ruler, which, again, is like a 6-inch ruler, which is also made in England. It's kind of slides in right there. We got this little baby pencil, which goes in the little compass, which, here, I'll pull that guy out. If you're not familiar with, essentially, again, it kind of, like I said, the pencil goes in here. Let's see, oh yeah, this also says made in England. I didn't even realize that. Let's see if I can't get that to focus. But yeah, so this is probably, like I said, the original pencil that came with it. So yeah, just undo this little thumb screw. That guy is supposed to slide up in there. Or actually, I guess I'm trying to get that out a little more. There we go. So yeah, just slides in there. You screw that down. Then you do put that little part in the center paper, and then you can draw your circles. So it's basically, that's all it does, is draw like circles or angles or things. And then this one, you can use it for like measuring, or plotting 2 points or whatever. So you can sit there and say how long that is to that. Like those two spots right there. Alright, so you take that out, and you get your little ruler and go, okay, so that's 1 1/4 inches. So that's how you know how far that is. So yeah, kind of a cool little kit here. Like I said, I really have not found anything online for this one specifically. Not for the Artist Supply and not for any of these. There's a few other ones you see, like there's like an Oxford one and stuff, but anyway, thought it was pretty cool. Kind of just like a nifty little kit, especially having everything made in England. You don't really see stuff like that anymore. And having it seem to be, if not complete, substantially, pretty solid there in terms of the tools and implements. And it's just a cool little thing. I mean, that cover with got like the maple leaves and all that, and this lovely just writing and the type font on there. Yeah, it's just a pretty cool little thing. So it's just the student set of mathematical instruments from the Artist Supply Company Limited in Toronto, but it was made in England. And like I said, the rulers, the squares, the pencil, all that was all made in England. So kind of a cool little bit of history here. So that's it on that one. All right, thanks. Bye.